In this video, we will be doing multi-time frame analysis and we will see what kind of capitalizing opportunity can be found. This analysis is made educational so that you can learn how to analyze the market yourself. So, let's make a complete breakdown analysis on USD JPY starting from the monthly time frame. What we can see is that the market is clearly bearish. This bearish trend line is indicating that the market on the monthly time frame is still towards the downward direction. Another important thing which we can see is that this candle with the long tail indicates that it tested certain demand areas before moving back to the upside, and we can expect the market to again test the demand areas before making a retracement or shifting its momentum towards the upside. But one important thing which we cannot ignore or neglect is that the market is basically approaching a very important demand area at which we have found the market making multiple rejections in the past. A rejection can be seen at this point, again a rejection at this point, and again a rejection. So we can expect the market to respect this rejection demand area as well on the monthly time frame. Moving down to the weekly chart, what we can see is that the market was making lower highs, and similarly this week the market broke the structure support, which is now turned into structure resistance at this point, and the market made a lower low. So even on the weekly chart, we can see that the market is strongly bullish. On the daily chart, the situation is very interesting because first of all, what we can see is that this structure support is now broken, which will be the acting structure resistance of the market. But one more thing which we can see is that another structure support lies in the area which will also be acting as a structure resistance. So we can consider this whole area as a structure support which has been broken and now will be acting as a structure resistance. So how will we approach this kind of situation? So first of all, if we consider this whole area as a structure resistance for the upcoming week, what will we do? We will wait for the market to retest the structure resistance, and inside of this zone we will monitor the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart. And if we find the market changing its momentum, shifting its momentum towards the downside, we can have a good shorting opportunity with our target being at this point. But as we have seen that on the monthly candle, the market broke below the structure support and made some tests. So again we can expect the market to break below the structure support, make a fake breakout to gain some liquidity, and then continue its trend to the upside. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.